birthday, Saru. Many, many happy returns of the day, Sarah darling. Hello, how are you? Enjoy your birthday. Be happy always. We wish you all the best in your life. Enjoy, beta. Enjoy today your birthday. Keep smiling. Keep smiling, bolo na. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Happy birthday, bolo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sarah. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday, Sarah. कैसी है Sarah?
Many, many happy returns of the day. This is your 5th birthday. And how much makeup are you doing? We hope you're as bright as well, as beautiful as Cinderella, as cute as Anna, and as brave as Mulan. Because you're Sarah. After 5 years, you'll be equal to Vanya's age. So congratulations. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Hi, Sarah. You're very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sarah. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you.
Come soon. We miss you so much.
Sarah, कितने साल का हो गया मेरा पारा? I know you know only English, no Hindi. Me only Hindi, no English.
Come soon, baby.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. You are the most beautiful girl in the world.
Great job. Happy birthday, Sarah. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Love you.
सारा आपका बर्थडे होगा तो मैं आऊंगी और आपके साथ हैप्पी बर्थडे सारा। जब आप नेक्स्ट टाइम आओगे यहाँ पर अपन स्लीप ओवर करेंगे और दूसरे दिन अपन बहुत मस्ती करेंगे। Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Love you.
Next time, once you invite me.
Happy birthday, Sarah.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. God bless you.
May God.
Bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You wanna say something to Sarah?
And now I'm gonna dance for you.
Very good.
Okay, come.
For the dancing party.
बोलो भी सही तरह हैप्पी बर्थडे। Happy birthday.
Hi Sarah, कैसे हो तुम? How is everything going on? And this is your 5th birthday. Yay! You are so big and so strong and so smart. मैं आपकी बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स देखती रहती हूँ, आपकी मामा शेयर करती हैं and I know that you are amazing. आपको wish you a very happy birthday and I am sure you are going to enjoy to fullest with your friends and your family. I wish मैं वहाँ हो सकती और we could have enjoyed together. Do you remember this place? देखो पीछे. This is the daycare और वो library area है जहाँ पर हम बैठ के circle time करते हैं और वहाँ पर books पढ़ते हैं. And it is good to see that you have moved up and moved so moved to a better place. And I really miss you even today. I miss your smile and the way you used to talk to me और इतना प्यार से आप शर्माते थे कभी कभी और स्माइल देते थे. I really miss that. And God bless you Sarah, and so wishing you all the best for your kindergarten days. And आप बहुत enjoy करना और थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई भी करना. और मानिया को भी मेरी तरफ से lots of huggy and kisses. आपको भी मेरी तरफ से lots of huggy and kisses, okay? And मामा दादा को hi. जब भी आप वॉशिंगटन स्टेट आओगे तो मेरे घर में ज़रूर आना एंड हम लोग साथ में बैठ के अपने डेकेयर में खेलेंगे. ओके? हाँ, मिस यू सो मच. ओके, बाय. हैव ए नाइस बर्थडे. एंजॉय योर बर्थडे एंड खूब सारा केक खाना. ओके, फ्रॉम माय साइड आल्सो. बाय.